Hello, and welcome to this first series of reKnowledge tutorial videos. In this mini-series, we will look at the reKnowledge ontological editors. But before diving into the product itself, I think it might be worth to quickly review what is ontology and what it is used for. Ontology is a branch of metaphysics concerned with the nature and relation of beings. It is, if you want, a theoretical framework that helps us understand and organize the world around us. As such, ontology is first and foremost about defining what we are interested in, i.e. the domain of expertise, and how to organize the information and knowledge pertaining to that domain. For instance, in the field of chemistry, is orchestrated through the periodic table. To organize the animal kingdom, scientists have developed a biological taxonomy in which the organisms are defined and named based on their shared characteristics. To map complex phenomena such as terrorism, a variety of ontological frameworks have been developed. In this example, the focus is on operational aspects of terrorism, with an emphasis on intent and capabilities of specific groups. But ontology are not limited to scientific or complex researchers. Everybody has developed or interact with some form of ontologies. For instance, if you have a client relation management system, it is likely that you would have defined some or all of its fields and properties. Another example of a widely used ontology is Amazon product classification. As you may have noticed, different types of ontologies exist. One of the simplest types of ontology is object focus. Each object inherits properties and characteristics from the parent object. Another type of ontology is the object and property models. In this model, each object shares a common set of properties such as symbol, atomic mass, atomic number, or electron per shell. What will make each chemical element unique is the value for each property. The next model of ontology is the object and relationship one. In this model, properties are expressed through a relationship with another object. Finally, you can have an object properties and relationships model that combine the object property model and object relationship model we've seen earlier. This is the model we have selected for reKnowledge. With this model, our users have maximum flexibility in defining the ontological framework. For instance, one client might want to use our object properties to capture information related to terrorist group, while another may prefer a mix of object properties and object relationship to capture the same information. There are no right or wrong ontological framework. It depends very much on the sort of question you want to answer. So, that's all for the theory of ontology. Check out our next video to see how we have incorporated those theories into reKnowledge and created an incredibly versatile ontological editor.